Hey guys, this is Abhishek, and in this video I will show you a quick addition to our models that we have fit with the help of ordinary least square. If you have noticed in the example of ordinary least square or the linear regression method that we fit it with the help of the statmodels package, is that it does not add any constant or the intercept to the model. So intercept, if you remember from my previous videos about the theory, that the intercept is basically helps producing a proper fit on the line, as well as its value is important to interpret that if we keep all the variable constant or zero, then how the change in the line will be expected. So for example, in terms of business, let's say intercept value is 200, or maybe this 200 value is in thousands. So 200,000 is what you would interpret the intercept value, and what it will say that even if we don't do any marketing or promotion or anything, our sales will keep increasing by the $200,000, and it is mainly because the variables they are suggesting that this is the kind of trend or upward or downward they have predicted, that if we are not doing any promotional activities or anything, then this is how the sales will going to increase. So just a simple example of how you would interpret the intercept. Okay, so what I want to do here is I want to add the constant along with the variables. So coefficient in this case is basically helps define a slope, and intercept basically helps to fit a proper line. Okay, so how I can do that is basically if I go up, if you remember about creating this model and we identified the x and y values with the cancer data, and what I need to do simply here is use the add constant method. So if x, again I will write SM, which is a statmodels package. We imported the library in the previous videos. I've shown you how you can do that. So sm dot add underscore constant, right, and then the x. Okay, so simply by doing this you will get the constant added, and that way if I predict the model with the OLS and do the fit and write the summary, you will see a change over here. If I go ahead and show it, so negative 0.521. So what it is indicating that if x1 is equals to 0, then the y value will be impacted by this value, the negatively 0.5261. So intercept is an important whenever you become a bit experienced and try to interpret results, you would require the intercept. So always in case of the statmodels package, you need to use this sm.add underscore constant to really do the add the intercept value. Alright, that's pretty much all I have. I'll meet you in the new video, the new topic.